Hey, welcome back to Thailand Virtual Travel Network. My name is Mark. Hey, it's fireworks night tonight, and I've come to this beautiful place, Memory Lounge. Going to film the fireworks, talk a little bit about what's going on today, and enjoy the show, man. Please subscribe, and let's get to some fireworks! Coming. Yeah. The very nice staff here has really accommodated me well. I called in advance to get one-person table, and that's kind of difficult. They originally had me up on the top floor, but they moved me down to a much better spot. Gosh, really good service here. I highly recommend this place, man. It was $1,200,000, which is $50 or so. But it includes food and drink and fireworks, which I love. The boats are lining up for the show. Fireworks coming soon. well, a heck of a fireworks show. That was China. It's the fourth round here of fireworks. 2 more rounds to go to include the finals. I'll try to cover some more of the fireworks in subsequent Saturdays. Thanks for tuning in to Thailand Virtual Travel Network. I really appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe. Hit that donation button. Give $1 for some candy. And thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.